Assalamu alaikum. I'm Zohar Khan. You are looking ZK Programmer. ZK Programmer today, our second lecture of Python about Python. The second lecture is that typecasting, how to convert integer, float, and string into typecasting. First of all, we have to take three values. First one integer, x1 integer, y 0.1 float, z is take from string values. After that, we want to print this value. They will be print in the same time. First of all, we want to skip this one, same time and same value. This value will be same display here. First of all, let's see to run. Look at 105 and ZK programmer. There is also integer, float, and strings. If we want to this value become a float, all integer and float and one values show to in one value. For example, we want to this values become this one and this one, but string not be become into float, and integer and float also become into float types. So let's see to run this value. See 0105 and zk it's because a string value, it's a string value, therefore it not convert into float. If we want to become float, let's see how it. Control S and erase it and run. Look, error create because it's a string, not values. So therefore we have to erase this one. If we want to integer, this one also convert into integer, this value convert into float, into convert to integer, because 0 is a integer values but 0.5 is a float. If you want to convert integer, all value into integer, these two value. So let's see integer and control S and run. Look, 1 0 and zk after comment this. So next topic is our typecasting, how to convert the value into typecasting. First one, erase it. First one, these values we want to erase it. Comment pause. Let's see how it run it. See, it's error because we can't explain here what types of value is x. So therefore we want to erase it. For example, this one is go comment fast and this one to fast also become an error. So therefore it's a typecasting. We want to convert the values, for example string or integer or float, these three types of values. Let's see, convert S, erase it, new and run. Look at first print this value, x value is 1, second value y value is 0.5 and the z value is zk. Look this one, and the typecasting position, x is one value, x1 one value, and x is 0.5 and z is zk. So that is types of value which we are convert into typecasting. So thank you for your watching. Allah Hafiz.